Hello students, this is Kanika. Welcome to my channel Prep Biology. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss transforming principle which was given by the Griffith. So under this we are going to discuss the Griffith's experiment. Now the Griffith's experiment in 1928, the Frederick Griffith, he was the scientist who worked on the Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria. It is a bacteria which is responsible for the pneumonia disease. Okay, he had took this bacteria, he had chosen this bacteria for his experiment. So what did he do? Griffith choose two strains of this bacteria. First is S strain and second is R strain. S means the smooth strain, R means the rough strain. Okay, so this is the rough strain and this is the R strain. Now the S strain is called the smooth strain. Why? Because this smooth strain bacteria are able to produce the polysaccharide coating around it, but in the rough strain bacteria colonies, they do not have this polysaccharide coating. That's why it is called the smooth shiny colonies, and that is S strain, and rough colonies are R strain. Okay, so this Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria grown on S strain differently and R strain differently on a culture meal plate. Okay, so S strain have the polysaccharide coating, R strain have the rough surface, that they do not have this polysaccharide coating. Okay, so S strain is smooth shiny colonies and R strain is rough colonies. I hope these two kinds of strain are clear to you all. Now Griffith took 4 cases of this experiment: case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. In case 1, he chose the living S colonies and introduced or inject into the mice. Okay, so he chose in the case 1 living S, that is smooth strain colonies of the bacteria, and he injected into the mice and he found that all mice have died. Okay, in this first case. Now in the second case, he choose the R strain bacteria which do not have the polysaccharide coating and inject into the mice, and he found that all mice lives. Okay, so they are not die. So by these two cases he concluded that S strain is virulent. Okay, and R strain is non-virulent. Why? Because when he inject the S strain, the mice, all mice have died, but that's why it caused the pneumonia in the mice and they all are die. But in case 2, in case of the R strain, the all mice do not die, they live. Okay, so that's why R strain is called the non-virulent strain. Now in case 3, he took the heat killed S cells. Okay, so not normal S cells, he took the heat killed S cells or strains and injected into the mice. But what did he find? He found that all the mice live. They are not infected by the pneumonia. Okay, so under the heat killed S cells, the S cells will means the dead S cells are injected into the mice and all mice are able to live. Okay, but in case 4, this is very important case. What did he do? He take the mixture of heat killed S cells. Okay, so heat killed S celled S strain plus living R cells. Okay, so he took the mixture of heat killed S strain, okay, and living R cells, and he injected this strain, this mixture of strain into the mice, and what he found that all mice will have died. Okay, so by case 4, in the case 4, Griffith recovered that living S bacteria from the dead mice. When he cultured some cells from the dead mice in case 4, what did he found in the culture plate? He found the R cells, and also he found the living S cells. Okay, so he found that he recovered from the dead mice that living S bacteria from the dead mice. He found that the living S bacteria from the dead mice. So what he concluded? Okay, so the conclusion of this experiment is the R strain bacteria in case 4, the R strain bacteria somehow transformed. Why? Because in case 4, we have heat killed S cells plus R cells. So he concluded that R strain bacteria somehow transformed by heat killed S strain. So then he discovered the transforming principle that states that the heat killed S cells are transformed into the R strain bacteria. They are transformed into the R strain bacteria, and the R cells bacteria are able to produce the smooth polysaccharides protective layer and become virulent. Okay, so in case 4, that's why all mice have died. Why? Because the transformation from heat killed S strain into the R strain, and R strains becomes the virulent in nature. That's why in case 4, all mice have died. By this experiment, Griffith states that this is due to the transfer of the genetic material. Okay, so this transforming principle states that something is transformed from one cell to next cell. Okay, that transformation is due to the transfer of the genetic material. So this is the conclusion of the transforming principle given by the Griffith. I hope this is clear to you all. If you like this lecture, like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Prep Biology. Keep studying, keep learning. Thank you so much.